Today I have here a 1999 Oldsmobile Intrigue odometer, and I'm gonna open it up and see if I recognize anything. I've fixed one of these odometers before on a Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban. Hopefully whenever I open it up it looks somewhat similar. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. First I'm gonna start by prying off these arrows. Also another weird thing to me, that's just free spinning. I've never seen that before. It's just free spinning. There's no like lock where there's resistance on some parts. I probably shouldn't do that, to be fair, but that's new. Yeah, maybe that's normal. I don't know. I'm gonna take this last one off. So hopefully, okay, that's different. So I'm noticing something very different already. I don't actually know how to get this off. Or maybe it is, I don't know. Maybe I just need to send it. Okay, it's like I'm taking off tape, something like that. It's not like it worked in the first place, so we're just gonna send it. Sending it. That's interesting. Okay. So, okay. So those things, these little things were in these things. Like these little pockets. I don't know what they do, but they were there. So now maybe this will come up. Looks like there's a connection, like a cable holding it there, I see. But yeah, that's interesting. These are the motors. Never seen them like that before. And it looks like over here I got this little cable. I'm supposed to take that off somehow to get to this board. I could just tug on it. Oh, okay, and that looks smarter. Maybe if I see there these hooks, those little hooks there. If I can use like a pick to unhook it, might be able to just slip that out of this and then not mess with the cable at all. I'm gonna go ahead and release this top hook. It looks like it just moves out of the way. Get this one here. And the final one, and there it goes. These little hooks, they were sandwiching this here. So there was one here and then two here, like there and there and then there, just like that. And I don't know what it is or what it does, but that's how it was. So now that I have the board here, I can confidently say I don't recognize anything about this. So I need to watch more videos and study this board, even though there's pretty much nothing on YouTube. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started. So I do recognize these little black things. These things were on the GM trucks, the Chevrolet Tahoe, and the Suburban. I recognize them. Not the same numbers, but I do recognize what they are. So I'm gonna go through all of these ones, the 5, 6 ones. They seem to be consistently connected to light bulbs. So I'm probably not gonna touch those. But these ones, 1, 2, 2, those there, maybe these two here, I'm probably gonna touch these ones. So anything that just looks like I should. Also, this looks really screwed up. I don't know what that's all about, but that can't be good. But I think all the lights worked, so it shouldn't be a problem. I don't know. I'm gonna get started. I'm a trained professional. I know how to do this. Okay, I'm gonna put flux on it and then hold it there for like 10 seconds. I should have done this from the start, but I'm doing it now because I remembered. Picked up some. Let's try and get the other side. Just an absolute mess. Perfect. Because I want this thing off. Okay, there goes that little screwer. So that's one. And then what I'm gonna do to get it back on, I did this once. It was really annoying and inconvenient, but yeah, you guys just have to watch this one that I'm doing. So I'm gonna get a little, oh actually, I'm gonna get some cleaner tools, some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and then a toothbrush, and I'll just clean this up really quick. Okay, so standard toothbrush, isopropyl alcohol, dip it in here. I got a cotton swab here. Probably should have an actual Q-tip, but so just gonna brush there a little bit. And then I'm just gonna, yeah, I had a feeling that would happen. So I'm just gonna dap it a little bit. And then I'm gonna brush this way. Oh, I don't want to lose that. Okay, so that's decently cleaned. Okay, right? Not insane, but I'm pretty much just gonna do that with all of them. I'm gonna pick this little one up, little thing, try. So silly. I'll wipe it off here. I'm sure this can't be bad for it, I don't think. Okay. And then we're just gonna put it back on as best as I can. My finger is sticky, so that's not good. Okay, pretty much lined up. Pick here. Okay, so now I'm gonna pin this. And then we're just gonna put it back on. Now it's tinned. Let's hope I don't fuck this up. Oh, flux, I almost forgot. Holy, that could have been bad. Oh, I just moved it out of the way completely. How the hell am I supposed to get in there? Okay, I got a little bit on there, you can see. And so now I'm gonna try and clean that up and move it to the side. Oh no. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put it on the other side as well. Okay. I think that's good enough. So that's an example of how you would remove and retin a resistor on your general, pretty much you'll find them on any circuit board. That resistor, I don't really know what they do or what they are, but they're very common, and I know they can be some big issue. They can lead to some big issues. Thanks for watching.